Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Christina. In today's video, we are diving into something that I'm really passionate about. Skincare for beginners, because we have all been there. We've all been a beginner in skincare, and maybe you are right there right now. And if you are right there right now, this video is for you, so don't click off, keep watching. I'm going to break it down step by step how to do your skincare and make it super simple and affordable, because I know a lot of us, we can't afford all the super expensive brands and all the stuff. There's a lot of stuff out there. There's a lot of stuff out there, so I just want to make this super simple, super easy, super affordable for a beginner. So let's get right into it. Grab a drink, maybe grab a coffee, grab a water, and grab a notebook to take some notes, and let's get into it and build your routine from scratch. So let's get straight into it. Number one, understand your skin type. That's step number one. Understanding your skin type. And you may ask me why. Well, because some skin is dry, some skin is oily, some skin is a combination of dry and oily, and some skin is more sensitive, some skin isn't as sensitive, and it may backfire on you if you use the wrong things for you. If you use something that's supposed to be on a different skin type for your skin type when it's not that skin type. I said skin type a lot in that sentence. It may backfire on you, and you may be doing your skin harm instead of your skin good. So understanding our skin type is so important. To figure out what skin type you are, wash your face, don't apply anything, and wait about 30 to 60 seconds and ask yourself, is your skin tight? Is it dry? Is it oily? Is it shiny? That's your clue of what your skin type is. I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown on all the skin types so that you know exactly what each skin type is. For oily, it's going to be shiny. When we say oily, it's going to be shiny, especially in your T-zone. If it's dry, it's going to feel flaky and rough, and it's going to be tight. A combination, it's going to be oily in your T-zone and dry everywhere else. For sensitive skin, it's going to be red, irritated very easily, or reactive. And for normal skin, it's going to be balanced and low maintenance. And if that's you, I'm kind of jealous, because I have dryness and my skin is kind of dry. So yeah, I'm kind of jealous if you have just normal skin that you don't have to worry about that. Okay, the next thing that we are going to talk about is the core 3-step routine. So that's going to be cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. So for a cleanser, use a gentle cleanser morning and night. And if you are just starting out and you don't wear makeup, you can do it just at night, but I recommend doing it morning and night just to have your face clean, obviously. And make sure the cleanser suits your skin type. If it is squeaky clean, then that is too harsh of a cleanser for your skin type. So make sure it's clean, but not like squeaky clean. A cleanser that I love is ITK cleanser. It is great. It's a gentle cleanser, and I'll pop up the link right here for it, or I'll put it in the description. It is a very gentle cleanser, and I love it. Step number 2 is moisturizer morning and night. Make sure that you are moisturizing, and it will change your skin for the better. It'll keep it from getting dry, because your skin needs hydration. I mean, it needs hydration, but the right kind of hydration. Sometimes you need a deeper, richer one. Sometimes you need a lighter moisturizer. It kind of depends on your skin and what your skin needs. Like with ITK, they use a lighter moisturizer, a weightless one, and then there's a deep, rich one, which is more for skin that needs more hydration and more moisturization. And then step number 3, as always, in the morning, put sunscreen on every single day. I don't care if you are going out in the sun or not. Put sunscreen on to protect your skin, even from the rays of sun coming into your house, to your work. Protect your skin from the sun. I get very passionate about it, but protect your skin from the sun every single day. Rain, shine, snow, I don't care what it is, put sunscreen on. And 2 sunscreens that I love, and I will make sure to link them, is the Supergoop tinted glow screen. Love that one. If you want a little bit of a tint, perfect. And then the ITK sunscreen, it's a clear, or it's just a normal sunscreen, no tint to it. Great. If you don't want a tint, that one is perfect for you. So once you've nailed the basics, I'm going to give you guys about 3 things that you can add later on. Once you nail down the basics, I want you to nail down the basics of just cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen first. And then later on, if you want to add these things in, go right ahead. I add these things in for myself, but I've been doing my skincare for years now, so I'm able to add more in. But I just want you first to get the basics down, then when you get the basics down, then add these. So don't add these right now. Promise me, you're not going to add these right now. You're going to wait. But then once you get the basics down, you can add these in. The first one is exfoliants. I love a good exfoliator. I typically will use Tula's exfoliate. It's Tula's exfoliating scrub, or I will use ITK has an exfoliating cleanser that I'll use a couple times a week if I'm not using Tula's. Don't use more than one exfoliator at a time, and only use it about 2, maybe 3 times a week, but no more than 3. Typically 1 or 2 times, but no more than 3. And the next thing that you can add in is retinol. Retinol you can add in, only do that 1 time a week. 1 to 2 times a week, no more than that. Doing retinol, you can add that into your skincare because that'll help if you have redness. That will help with the redness and calming your skin. And I love how it helps my skin. I don't use it often, but when I do, I absolutely love it. So if you want to add retinol in, you can. The next thing is serums. I love a good vitamin C serum or a vitamin serum and hyaluronic acid. I love both of those serums. I use them every single day. My skin looks so smooth, so amazing, and hyaluronic acid helps with like wrinkles and fine lines and that sort of stuff, and hydration. And then the vitamin C serum helps brightening your skin if it looks dull. Great products. So if you are like, once you nail down the basics and you want to add those 2 serums, highly recommend the ITK vitamin serum and the ITK hyaluronic acid. Those 2 are great serums to add in once you get the basics down. And then the next one is eye cream. I use eye cream every single day. I'm a firm believer in it will help later down the road to not have wrinkles under my eye. You don't have to use eye cream, but I personally would use eye cream. And I use it every single day, morning and night. ITK has a great eye cream, and it comes in a tube, and it has like morning on one side, night on the other side. Morning is thinner, and then nighttime is thicker. I love it, and I'm a firm believer in using eye cream. So once you get the basics down and you want to add eye cream in, you can add eye cream in. Highly recommend it. The 4th thing that I want to talk about is beginner mistakes. Mistakes made by beginners. Here's what to literally avoid during your skincare journey, and I'm going to give you guys a few things that you just need to avoid. Don't do. Trying too many products at once. You need to see what works for your skin, what's going to not irritate your skin, how your skin's going to react to the products that you're using. So that's why, like, when you're a beginner, moisturizer, cleanser, sunscreen is a good base. It's a good start just to see how your skin is going to do to those products before you add more. Another thing is not patch testing. If it is a new product that you are trying, try just a little patch of it just to see how your skin is going to react to that product, because it may break out to that product and then you're using it on your whole face without even knowing that's going to break out. So patch test it. Make sure that you do that before you put it on your entire face and your neck. That's another mistake that beginners make, and I have been guilty of making this mistake, not doing my neck. Your neck is as important as the rest of your face. When you get older, like through your hands and your neck, you see like the wrinkles and just everything. But if you get your neck, you won't have that problem when you get older. So make sure that you are getting your neck just like you're getting your face. The next thing is skipping sunscreen. Guys, the sun is so powerful, and you can get melanoma, you can get skin cancer, you can get wrinkles and freckles and just things that you don't want by the sun. The sun is so powerful and it can hurt our skin. We need to wear sunscreen every single day. Every day, put sunscreen on. Make that a part of your new routine. If you don't already have it in your routine, make it a part of your new routine. Because I promise, you're going to thank me later when you don't have skin cancer and you don't have wrinkles and your skin looks amazing. Because you use sunscreen every day. Start putting that as a normal routine for yourself. Use sunscreen every day. The next mistake that beginners make is over exfoliating. I've been known to do this, doing it too much. Don't over exfoliate. That can hurt your skin. Start peeling it, start drying it out. It's not good. So make sure that you aren't over exfoliating. 1 to 3 times a week at most. No more than that. Do not over exfoliate. You do not need to exfoliate every single day. Your skin needs time to heal. Yeah, it gets the dead skin cells off, but then you're going to get the good skin cells off as well if you're over exfoliating. So no over exfoliating. Over exfoliating. And then the last one is falling into trends that don't suit your skin type. Just because one thing worked for one person doesn't mean, and one skincare routine worked for one person doesn't mean that it's going to work for your skin if your skin types aren't the same. Now, if your skin types are the same, then yes, it'll work. But if it's not, and everybody's skincare is going to be different because everybody's skin is different. No one's skin is really the same. What one product may work for one person isn't going to work for another. And yes, some people have the same skin type and it'll work, but that doesn't mean everybody has the same skin type, because we don't. So make sure whatever product that you're using, and if you see a content creator, an influencer, a brand promoting a product, make sure that if it's working for that person, make sure it's also going to work for you as well, and not just use it because they're using it. Really, really make sure that you are using products that work for your skin type, not just theirs. And the last thing that I want to talk about is affordable starter routine examples. I'm going to give you guys some examples of very affordable routine that you can do. Because if you're like me, you're like, okay, well, where should I actually start? Like, what should I buy? What should I get? And I've kind of touched on it, but I'm just going to sum it up right here. The first thing is a cleanser, and I highly recommend ITK cleanser. It's only like $14. It is not much. You can get it at Walmart or Amazon. You can get it on itk.com, I believe, as well. So you can get it online, you can get it in the store, but I highly recommend that cleanser because it's very gentle on the skin. The next thing is a moisturizer. Highly recommend either the Deep Rich Moisturizer or the Weightless Moisturizer by ITK. Also, Oil Filet. My mom loves Oil Filet. I am not a huge fan of it, but it does work and it's a cheaper option. But ITK is very affordable. Moisturizer, everything's very affordable. The next thing is sunscreen. So I would recommend the ITK sunscreen. The Supergoop is more expensive, so I wouldn't really recommend that. Maybe for a beginner, unless you want to splurge on it. But if you just want a simple sunscreen that doesn't have a tint to it, ITK, great product, very affordable. You can get Walmart, itk.com, or Amazon, just like the rest of the ITK products. Now, they may not have it in stock right now, but hopefully eventually they will restock it. But I don't know if they have it in stock right now, which would leave me with Supergoop, but it is not as affordable, and I want to make this affordable. So for a sunscreen option right now, for something affordable, I'll have to do some research on that and let you guys know. I'll let you guys know. I'll try to pop it up right here if I can find one that is good. I just can't think of one off the top of my head, because I don't know if the Tula one, I'll have to look. I'll let you guys know. But the Supergoop, it may be under like $40. So it may, but it's still kind of expensive. I'll look and I'll let you guys know. Just remember, skincare does not have to be overcomplicated. It doesn't have to be complicated at all. And it doesn't have to be expensive. Neither one. Doesn't have to be complicated. Doesn't have to be expensive. But it does have to be consistent. Every single day. Start a routine, get in that routine, and do it every single day. Start small, listen to your skin, just like I talk about listening to your body. Listen to your skin. If it's red, if it's irritated, stop and do something else, and be patient. I promise your glow will come. Even if it doesn't come overnight, it will come. So be patient, because it does take time, but it will get there. So if this video helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment any other videos that you'd like to see, and also make sure to comment your favorite skincare product and what is your skin type. If you know what it is, what is your skin type, let me know in the comments, and I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. And by the next video, I think I'm going to have a name for you guys picked out, so that is super exciting, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye!